and money. We tried to budget both during the holidays. Well, Dr. Bill Johnson of Innovations Med Spa is here with beauty on the run ideas that can really make a difference without the downtime. That's good news. Dr. Bill, how are you?
Good morning.
Well, this is great. Of course, it's the holidays, it's the new year, we're going home, we're visiting family, and we want to look our personal best. And you say we can do so and save time and money, too.
We can do things that work fast and are pretty fast to do. We started the Thermage here this morning when the program started, and we're just about finishing up.
So that's what we're seeing, and Thermage is great. I've had this procedure done before. It can be used on the body or the face, but she is receiving Thermage on her face. What is exactly this procedure that we're seeing?
She's having, right now, the radio frequency heating, and what happens when the tip touches the skin, we activate it, and the radio frequency heats the skin, which heats the collagen, and she'll get immediate tightening that we should be able to show in a few minutes. And we'll also get a chance for her to see improvement over the next several weeks, and we'll show you some before and afters.
So some of the results are immediate gratification, and then over the next couple of weeks, certainly in time for the holidays, she's going to really notice her skin is tighter and younger looking.
Right, and we'll show you some pictures in a few minutes.
We'll see some pictures. Okay, we'll check back in here with her in just a little bit, but we're thinking about on the run and beauty for face. What can we do that's kind of quick fixes for the face?
The king of fast is Botox.
Okay.
Because you can come in, get Botox done in 10 minutes.
Okay.
And it works for, most folks see an immediate result, but everyone will see results within a day or two.
Okay, so Botox is great for
Botox is great. Restylane and Radiance, which are fillers.
Okay. What does Restylane do?
Restylane is on the lips and really can make a big difference with the lip lines and some of the loss of volume we get on the lips. We can use Radiance other places off the lips on the rest of the face, like in the cheeks or the nasolabial folds, or like on this patient where we've done it around the chin. And we can see a lot of improvement in places where we get those lines or grooves or things that don't have the shape we used to have.
Sure, because we lose that. I would think that the Restylane around the lips is really pretty dramatic, because that's really where we show signs of aging, because, you know, we talk so much, or at least in my case. And then the Radiance is for not for the lips, though, is it?
We don't use Radiance on the lips, but we use it in other places of the face. It lasts a little longer. It has a real easy texture. This patient, for example, you can see how Radiance has gone in her cheeks, and there's been a real improvement in those hollows that she developed over time.
Yeah, that looks really good, and that's quick and affordable,
it takes about 20 minutes in the office, and you leave, and it's done.
I love that. How about IPL for those, maybe those dark areas sometimes we get over time on our hands or our face?
Well, IPL is another great on-the-run procedure, because you can have this done, and in about a week, the dark spots will start to clip off and fade. The procedure takes about 20 to 30 minutes also, so it's one thing. Come in on your lunch break, get it done, and get on the road.
Huge. Again, the hands, you want your hands to look young. That's a really important procedure.
As well, if you get those dark spots on your face.
Okay, we were taking care of the hands and the face. How about for the body, if we want those quick fixes to tighten?
Yeah, the body has always been a lot harder, but now this is an example of really getting rid of the loose skin on the abdomen. And with the new Thermage 16 centimeter tip, we've turned a 4-hour procedure into about a 2-hour or an hour-and-a-half procedure.
Yeah, that tip is way bigger than the one that we used.
Right.
I remember when I had this procedure done. So instead of taking 4 hours to do those back of the legs, you could do it, and you're saying like an hour and a half.
About an hour and a half to do them.
Huge. That's such a big deal.
Difference.
You don't want, you want to be in and out and not uncomfortable, certainly, and you want to see those results fast, because we want those results quickly.
And the results with this new tip are also very quick.
Oh, that's so excellent. Okay, so when we're talking about the rest of it, we saw abdomen and stuff. Let's check back in, because we're obviously doing Thermage on her face. How is she progressing? Are we seeing the noticeable difference already from when we started, Dr. Bill?
She's already seen quite a bit of improvement. I think we have a before picture of her that we took earlier today. But she's seeing some definite improvement in her nasolabial folds, and she's seeing some good lift around her eyes. Here's the before on the film right now. And again, real improvement there, improvement around her eyes.
You can smile. She's not smiling. There we go. I want her to be happy.
And she's not even finished with the procedure.
Dr. Bill Johnson, because you did Thermage on yourself too.
Yeah, I did Thermage about 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
And we did some before and afters on me.
And it obviously worked.
It worked real well.
Over 30.
But, oh yeah, well.
There you are.
I started to say this is my older brother, just so it would sound better on the air. But you can notice that my crow's feet in particular improved. The big fold by my nose and my
well, this
cheeks
is just
improved.
to say, Dr. Johnson, that these are great procedures for men and women alike that you can come in before the holidays. We're going to let you guys keep working. We can't wait to check back in. Maybe in a couple weeks we'll see her after picture. We want to see her again, what she looks like. Happy holidays to you, Dr.
Thank
Bill.
you.
Innovations Med Spa has locations in Dallas, Grapevine, and Fort Worth, and you can learn about these procedures and other beauty on the run ideas for the face and the body by calling them at 972-331-8844 or log on to their website. It's innovationsmedspa.com. And if you have questions for Dr. Bill Johnson, drop him an email. He's really nice, and you can email him at questions@innovationsmedspa.com. And we will be right back.